You might have heard that cracking your knuckles can lead to arthritis, but is there any truth behind this claim? This myth possibly started due to the sound itself, making people believe something harmful must be happening inside the joints. However, studies have shown that there's no direct link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. The popping sound is simply gas bubbles bursting in the joint fluid. So, next time someone warns you, remember, it's just a myth. Make sure to subscribe for more myth-busting facts.